Ever wondered what makes Paris the gastronomic capital of the world? It's a question that's more complex than it seems. Paris, the city of love, is also a city of food, a gastronomic paradise teeming with diverse flavors. It's not only the city's wide array of delectable offerings that gives it its gastronomic reputation, it's the unique food culture that defines it, a blend of love, tradition, and innovation that makes Parisian cuisine truly unique. Whether it's traditional French delicacies or exotic global dishes with a French twist, the city's culinary repertoire is as vast as it is delightful. Every corner of this city reveals a new gastronomic adventure. From cozy bistros tucked away in charming lanes offering rustic dishes, restaurants in the city center flaunting prestigious Michelin stars and serving world-class cuisine. The city's food markets are a testament to its rich culinary history, their aromatic offerings enticing passers-by with their irresistible charm. In this video, we'll explore 15 of Paris's most unforgettable dining establishments. Each one offers a unique gastronomic experience that captures the essence of the city's culinary prowess. We'll delve into the history and tradition of some of the city's most beloved dishes and witness how master chefs use their skills to push culinary boundaries. We'll experience the theatrics of dining in Paris, where each meal is an event, each dish a masterpiece, and every bite a moment to savor. Because in Paris, food is not just sustenance, it's an art form, a way of life. So, are you ready to embark on this unforgettable culinary journey? First stop, Le Meurice à l'Inde-Ducasse, an epitome of French elegance. As you step into this Parisian haven, your senses are immediately enveloped in an atmosphere of refined luxury. From the sparkling chandeliers that dance overhead to the carefully selected art gracing the walls, it's evident that every detail has been curated with intention and finesse. The ambiance is resplendent with a cosmopolitan flair that is unmistakably Parisian. Upon finding your seat, you're introduced to an intimate understanding of the restaurant's rich history. It's as if the echoes of the past intermingle with the vibrancy of the present, creating a harmonious symphony that tells a captivating story of culinary evolution. The promise of a delectable dining experience to come seems to fill the air, setting the stage for the brilliance of Chef Alain Ducasse. A maestro in his own right, Chef Ducasse epitomizes the pinnacle of French culinary mastery. His innovative approach to cuisine, coupled with a fervent passion for gastronomy, creates an unparalleled dining experience. Each creation is a testament to his philosophy of simplicity, allowing the natural flavors of quality ingredients to take center stage. Signature dishes such as the lobster à la presse and the black truffle macaroni stand as shining examples of his culinary prowess. Each bite promises a journey through the of French cuisine, inviting you to explore a spectrum of flavors ranging from the hearty and rustic to the refined and delicate. Dining at Le Meurice à l'Inde-Ducasse is more than just savoring a meal. It's embarking on an Epicurean adventure, an opportunity to engage your senses in a dance between tradition and innovation. This experience invites you to be a part of a legacy of culinary greatness, to witness firsthand the sublime union of art and science in every morsel. To dine at Le Meurice à l'Inde-Ducasse is not merely to satisfy your hunger. It is to embark on a gastronomic adventure, to engage all your senses, to appreciate the intricate dance between tradition and innovation. It is to be a part of a legacy of culinary greatness, to witness the sublime union of art and science in every morsel. A meal here is more than just dining, it's an experience. Next, we venture into the world of molecular gastronomy at Pierre Gagnère. Sitting in a picturesque corner of Paris, the restaurant is a gem of culinary wonder. It's a shining testament to gourmet brilliance, promising a gastronomic expedition like no other. At this exceptional place, the idea of food is redefined, skillfully combining precision and imagination. Upon entering, one is immediately immersed in an ambiance that vibrates with anticipation, hinting at the culinary adventure to come. The decor is tastefully crafted, echoing the restaurant's ethos of fusing tradition with novelty. It's a refined balance of elegance and playfulness, laying the groundwork for the remarkable cuisine to follow. The undisputed star is Chef Gagnère's culinary virtuosity. Renowned for his innovative culinary style, Chef Gagnère is a true kitchen magician. His dishes are a visual feast. They embody culinary invention, a nuanced fusion of science and creativity. His cuisine transforms everyday ingredients into something remarkable. Each creation from his kitchen is an ode to his imagination and commitment to his profession. The food here is sublime. Each dish is constructed with exacting precision, leading to a seamless blend of tastes, textures, and scents that tantalize the taste buds. The aesthetic presentation amplifies the sensory pleasure. Each dish is a visual masterpiece, a gastronomic exhibit that delights the eyes as much as it satisfies the palate. The display contributes to the gastronomic journey, enriching the dining experience. Visiting Pierre Gagnère is more than simply enjoying a meal, it's an occasion. Moment you step inside, you're indulged in a sensory spectacle. Every course is a scene in this gastronomic narrative, each dish a persona with its own tale to narrate. A visit to Pierre Gagnère is like stepping into a culinary theater. Last but not least, we reach Chez l'Ami Jean, a place that embodies the soul of Parisian dining. As you approach, the hustle and bustle of Paris fades away, welcoming the prospect of a gourmet adventure. Situated in the city's heart, this restaurant symbolizes France's culinary legacy. The unassuming facade ushers passers-by in with its vintage charm. Stepping in, its rustic setting, with antique wooden tables standing witness to countless dining experiences, captures the essence of Parisian dining. Chalkboard menus adorn the walls, where daily culinary magic is carved. These menus are repositories of tradition and innovation, documenting the relentless pursuit of culinary brilliance. The air inside is thick with an elaborate mix of scents, a sensory overture so hypnotic that it borders on surreal. The aroma of coq au vin and boeuf bourguignon hint at the impending delight. The scent of simmering stews, fresh pastries, and aged cheese form an aromatic tapestry that celebrates French cuisine. Here, warmth and hospitality are not only offered but also appreciated. Every gesture, every conversation exudes a genuine sense of camaraderie. The friendly and accommodating staff add to the hospitable atmosphere. Every bite, every shared laugh, every bon appetit said adds to the ongoing Parisian narrative. Each moment spent here transcends the act of dining, becoming an encounter with the heart of Parisian culture. Chez l'Ami Jean elevates dining to an immersive cultural experience. It's about delving into a culinary lineage, about discovering a haven in the chaos where time seems to pause, where flavors, aromas, and conversations create an unforgettable sensory symphony. At Chez l'Ami Jean, you'll feel like a true Parisian. There you have it, 15 culinary jewels in Paris providing an Epicurean adventure that will captivate your palate. We delve deeper into the heart of French cuisine, revealing gastronomic wonders nestled within this mesmerizing city. Paris, a city brimming with allure, rich history, vibrant culture, and of course, an exceptional food scene, unmatched elsewhere. Our culinary exploration starts at Le Meurice Alain Ducasse. More than a meal, it's a journey into an era of unparalleled grandeur. The moment you enter this majestic restaurant, you're transported to a time of opulent dining amidst towering ceilings and beautifully curated artworks. Le Meurice Alain Ducasse transcends being a mere restaurant. It's a living tribute to French culinary heritage. Each dish, meticulously crafted, showcases the skill and inventiveness that characterize French cuisine. The dish presentation is detailed, reflecting the rich, diverse flavors. Next, we venture into the avant-garde world of culinary art at Pierre Gagnère. Here, food and art blend, transforming the dining experience into a spectacle of taste, texture, and sensory delight. The use of innovative techniques such as liquid nitrogen, and food foams expands the boundaries of traditional cooking, creating an extraordinary dining experience. From the avant-garde, we return to familiar territory at the classic Parisian bistro, Chez l'Ami Jean. This place embodies traditional French cuisine. The rustic decor and warm ambiance transport you back to a quintessential bistro, where each meal is a celebration of authentic French flavors. Chez l'Ami Jean's dishes are a testament to the charm of simplicity. Every dish is cooked to perfection, a testament to the joy of simple, soulful food, enjoyed in great company. These three establishments offer only a glimpse of the culinary wealth that Paris offers. Each place tells a unique story, a tale of flavors, traditions, and techniques, painting a vivid picture of France's gastronomic landscape. The city's gastronomic scene is a symphony of tastes and textures, crafted by dedicated chefs who pour their hearts into every dish. In conclusion, Paris is a paradise for food lovers, a captivating city offering a gastronomic journey like no other. If this video has piqued your interest, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more Epicurean adventures. Before we end this gastronomic journey, we want to remind you to like this video if you found it helpful, share it with fellow food enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more Epicurean adventures from around the world. Your support helps us bring you more content like this.